Hey friends, for a lot of users, when they open the system tray calendar, they notice that the first day of the week is not Sunday or Monday, it is Tuesday. Okay, and or Wednesday, Thursday, or some other day. So if you wish to fix this issue, the procedure is as follows. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command regedit and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor window. If it asks for that administrator prompt, please click on Yes. Now, in this window, go to this path H key current user, Control Panel, International. H key current user, Control Panel, International. Now, in the right pane, you'll notice an entry named I first day of the week. I first day of week. Double click on it. The value data is 2. So basically 1 is for Monday, 2 is for Tuesday, 3 is for Wednesday and so on. If I wanted to start with Sunday, I'll simply change the value data to 6. I'll click on OK. I'll close this window. I'll close this window. I'll right click on the start button. I'll select shutdown or sign out and then I will restart my computer. When I restart my computer, I will notice that the first day of the week is Sunday. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.